What started as a simple braid became a beautiful curly wig.
The wig, this is how it looks like. Oh my god. this wig is giving. It's giving, guys. I love it. I love everything. I love everything about this wig. Wow. So guys, watch the full tutorial about this wig.
The transformation begins with patience.
Sometimes it happens gently, strand by strand, strand by strand. Every strand which was added here, it felt like evidence stitched together. You know that type of confidence when you do something beautiful. This is where the journey began. Tiny braids, unfinished curls, and vision in my mind. Every curl starts with preparation. Sometimes life teaches us that softness requires effort too. Okay. This week taught me that patience creates beauty. Beauty, look at this beauty. One braid at a time, one curl at a time. That's how beautiful things are created. Welcome back to the Wig Lab. I'm almost done with this wig. I wanted to give you a quick update on this wig. I wanted to show you this wig before the final reveal. This wig started with simple braids, and I saw potential that something beautiful will come out from these braids. I chose black because black represents strength, confidence, and timeless beauty. It's the color that never goes out of style, I'm telling you. And let me tell you, this color black reminds us to stand strong in whatever we are going through. In whatever we do, we have to stand strong. And it reminds us again to stand strong in who we are. Okay, you would have noticed the soft curls at the ends. I added them because life doesn't have to be hard all the time. Sometimes life has to be soft, like these curls. The curls bring softness, movement, and a touch of joy to the wig. These curls reminds us that softness and existence can move together. I also chose twist because twist symbolizes growth and transformation. Every twist is made strand by strand, just like our journeys. Just like our journeys in life, we go through patience, consistency, and trusting the process. This week is teaching me that beautiful things take time. Beautiful things don't rush, they take time. Once that started, a few braids can become something beautiful. When you keep showing up and when you keep doing beautiful things. And when you keep doing the work, I'm so excited to show you the final reveal of this wig when it's done. Stay tuned for the final reveal, and remember that confidence is handmade. One step at a time. Love you. Let's do the work. Guys, welcome back to the Wig Lab. Honestly, I thought this wig will be finished on Sunday, but guess what? But life had other plans. I wasn't feeling well. I had to take a break, focusing on getting better and better and better. Today is Monday. I am back at my workstation, continue to making this beautiful wig. This is a reminder that progress isn't always fast. Sometimes we need to pause, rest, and we come back very, very stronger. What matters is not how quickly we finish, but that we don't give up on the vision. This wig is almost done, and I can't wait to show you the final results. Until then, remember, beautiful things takes time. Patience creates beauty, and every small step counts. Love you. Let's continue to work on this wig. Guys, this wig is almost finished. A few finishing touches here. This is the only part remaining for this wig to be done. Guys, you're gonna see magic on this wig. For the moment, it looks like this. Look at the finishing. It's giving. Look at these curls. I love everything about this wig, but we're gonna loosen these curls so that they can be small, not as wide as they look now. Okay? this is the final look. This is what we got from the process we've been through. So this is our final results. This is how our wig looks like. It looks like this. Oh my god, it's giving. It's giving, guys. Let me carve it. You'll see another style. So guys, this is how when I've carved the wig, this is how it looks like. Oh my god. This wig is giving. It's giving, guys. I love it. I love everything. I love everything about this wig. Wow. So guys, watch the full tutorial about this wig.